Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. So let's see what's there for Aries. Let's see what's there for Aries. Let's see what's there for Aries on your side. So on your side, oh, we have the Five of Cups. Why? So on your side we have the Five of Cups. So you're feeling upset over something, Aries. Let's see what's there on your person side. On your person side we have the World card. So definitely there is some new beginning coming in, closing of something old and beginning of something new. Let's see what's the most likely outcome for this connection. Okay, so we have the Six of Swords, which talks about moving away from negativity and moving towards positivity, or you should say the peaceful horizons or peace basically. Okay, so let's see what's behind the scenes for the Five of Cups. What's behind the scenes for the Five of Cups for Aries? What's behind the scenes for the Five of Cups for Aries? Why is this Five of Cups here for? Okay, so we have the Sun card, the King of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, the Justice. Okay. Anything else? Why is this Five of Cups here? And the World on your side also. Why are you upset? I really don't see any reason for you to be upset till now. Yes, of all the good cards are coming up. Why are you upset? Okay, let's see why is this World card here for your person. So we have the Two of Wands, okay, the Page of Wands, the Ten of Wands, okay, the Knight of Cups, and the Strength. Again the Ace of Pentacles. So let's see what is this Six of Swords about. What is the Six of Swords about? What is the Six of Swords about? Three of Cups and King of Swords flipped up. Let's see. So for the Six of Swords we have the Two of Swords, the Empress, and the Magician, the Temperance, the Five of Swords, the Hermit. So on your side we have the Five of Cups, which is definitely talking about you being upset. But I really don't know that why are you upset. At least the cards have the cards on your side don't really show any reason for you being upset. But yes, since you know that energy exchange is also there, and maybe I find a reason on this side. But yes, whatever it is, because it can be a mix of the messages also. Anyway, let's talk about this. Or even if it can be a lingering energy of the past also, it's not definitely that, okay, even if you are feeling upset right now, you feel that you are really not able to focus on anything, then maybe it is just the last aspect of that field, of that thing, and you are now moving in towards happiness. Because over the Five of Cups, the first card which is coming up is Sun. So definitely you are at least perhaps on the brink of happiness. It can be that also. So maybe it is just the last edge of your unhappiness and the Sun is ready to shine. Can be that. Because with the Sun card, the King of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, the Justice, and the World, Major decisions are being taken, major transition of life. Yeah, now you that's what I was saying. Even if you are upset right now for some reason, whatever the reason is, but the other cards are really not showing anything that there is any reason for you to be upset now, Aries. Okay, because major changes are happening, and as I said, maybe you are at the edge of that phase of your life when you are feeling upset for whatever the reason was, because you really have major cards here with the sun, the justice, and the word. So definitely some decisions are being taken, some major balance is being restored in your life, and you are definitely ending a chapter of your life, you're beginning a new chapter in your life, and you are feeling, what I feel is maybe you are coming together with your family or friends, something like that. And with the King of Pentacles, it is definitely you are being in par, you are feeling very happy. That is what I'm getting. It's all in all happiness coming in, Aries. I really don't see any reason on this side for you to be upset, but maybe you are at the threshold of a new beginning, and it is just the transition phase or the last edge. As I said, one more thing is that maybe you are not able to adjust with the changes which are happening. Okay, maybe it is getting tough for you to understand as to why these changes are happening, and because change is never easy, it's not easy to accept change. So maybe you are at that thing and you are not accepting it, and that is why you're feeling upset. It can be that also. Let's see what's there on this side. On your person's side, we have the World card. And as I told you, the World card means again endings and beginnings. So that has come up here also, and it's already there on your person's side. So definitely both of you are ending a cycle and moving on to a new one, whatever it is. Let's see what it is talking about on your person's side. So on your person's side, we have the Two of Wands, the Page of Wands. So definitely somebody is trying to make a decision over here, or waiting for something, waiting for a right opportunity, maybe waiting for you. So somebody here is waiting to make a decision or waiting for the other person to come in. And with the Page of Wands and the Ten of Wands, yes, here what I feel is that there has been a situation, there has been something which is coming up on your partner's side that you were really perhaps done dealing with. Okay, you don't want to deal with that situation anymore, whatever the situation was, because what I feel here is that you are done with the waiting. Okay, and you want to stop waiting. As for now, you want to move on with your life, and with the Ten of Wands, you are done with this waiting aspect. And with the Page of Wands, you are taking small, getting back up and taking small aspects to move forward in your life. It's something like that. Okay, so with the Two of Wands, you are waiting over here for something or someone. With the Page of Wands, you are just getting up and making a move out of this waiting game, whatever this waiting thing is for you, and whosoever you are waiting for, or you are waiting for, or they are waiting for, because there is nothing which is negative. Only the waiting aspect is coming up, as maybe it was holding you down, or you were not happy with that waiting aspect. But yes, with that you are done with it, and you are ready to sort of move away from this situation. And here we have the Knight of Cups, the Strength, and the Ace of Pentacles. So perhaps you have been waiting for this person or some other person since a long time, or it can be some other situation you were waiting for, but now you are moving towards this new beginning with the Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, and the Strength. So whatever this situation was, it has really taken a toll on you. As I said, this waiting game was not a very pleasant part in your life. It was really taxing you to some extent, and once you thought, okay, now I really can't deal with it, it's getting too much, you are ready to walk out of this waiting aspect. And here it's somebody new, maybe this person or the person, maybe, because happiness is here also. So whatever it is, there is somebody who it is, you have to pick your sides, but definitely you are walking towards somebody new. That's what I feel. And this new is somebody who is ready to open up, ready to offer you their emotions. And with the Ace of Pentacles, you are getting a stable new beginning with this person. So this waiting thing which was really taxing you, with the Strength card, you were finding it difficult, and you had really dealt with it with a lot of strength. And that is what this world is talking about, ending and beginning. So ending of this waiting thing and beginning of this Ace of Pentacles. That's what I'm getting. Okay, and here with the Six of Swords, definitely moving towards peaceful horizons. For that we have the Two of Swords, the Empress, the Magician, definitely some new beginnings coming in. We just see so many major cards here in the entire spread. We have here, we have the Empress, the Magician, the Temperance, the Five of Swords, and the Hermit. Hermit again is the major card. So you are moving towards peace, that's for sure. You are having new beginnings with the Empress, with the Magician, and the Temperance. You are balancing the situation, you are balancing your life, things in your life are getting sorted out. You are ready to if this is a powerful new beginning. It is not something which is a casual thing. It is a major transition in your life, Aries. It is a major changeover of your life to some extent. That's what I feel, and maybe that is why you are not able to cope up with it, and that is why you're feeling upset. It can be as simple as that also. And here we have the Five of Swords and the Hermit. So with the Hermit and the Temperance, you are really using your intuition to move ahead and to balance whatever this situation is. Excuse me. And here with the Two of Swords and the Five of Swords, what I feel is this is definitely a decision which you are trying to take. Being in touch with your intuition with the Hermit card, ready to manifest a new beginning, balancing everything. And with the Five of Swords, maybe this situation, as I said, again I'm not getting anything negative over here. It is the change which is troubling you. You're not able to deal with the change, the rapid changes which are happening in your life, the fast changes, or maybe it's too good to be true type of a thing, and you are not able to cope up with it. It can be as simple as that, Aries. Let's see what is the excuse me. Let's see what is the message from the universe for Aries. Okay, express love through gifts. A small token of love can convey great appreciation. Number 19 may be of some significance. So this is the guidance from you. You need to express your love through gifts or whatever you think is valuable. It can be as simple as time. It can be as simple as the care you give this person. Okay, Aries, so that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.